y'all, it's your girl Alexis back with another video. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe when you leave. Before you leave, don't forget. And if you're oldie with a goodie, hey girl, hey. Now let's get into the video. Okay, so we're doing, I'm showing y'all my easy, simple way of crimping hair. So I just took my hair out of 2 pigtails. Basically, if you don't know what that is where your hair is braided down. You know, I slept on it really, really good. And now it's time to freshen it up every day. So I'm not gonna say I do this every day. It's when I have somewhere to go, I'll go in with my crimp iron and I freshen up the front portion of my hair. Like, even though it really don't need any heat, but you know, it just gives a good crispiness to it with the heat on it, and a little bit of what is it called? Some hairspray. It just give it a good, yeah. It just give it. Do go in with the Chi helmet head level hold 5. And I'll take the top layer. And I'll move it out the way. You know, just comb through it though. Probably separate this a little bit more. Okay. So I go in with the hairspray. Comb it through. Take the crimp iron. And I pass it along. So everywhere that I started, well, everywhere that the iron ends, that's where I'll start. Okay. And then the next section, I'll split it up a little bit more too. Some more hairspray. And now the top portion. So the top portion, I'm real funny about it, because I don't like to go all the way up, because I always go back in and hot comb the top. I like for the top to be flat. Okay. And y'all see how that hairspray, it gives the hair a little bit of sheen. Okay, so that's this side. Okay, now I'm gonna go in on this side, but I'm gonna speed this part up. after I've let the front crimps, mind you, I only crimp the front portion because the back is already basically crimped, but it's like braided down, but it has like a little wave to it. So I go in with a paddle brush and I brush through. This option is what's the word? Optional. Doing this is optional, so you do not have to brush through. Like if you like that hard crunchy look, and which is nothing wrong with the hard crunchy look, because depending on the vibe of the day, that's the look I'm going for. But I'm just going for, I just woke up, I just got out of bed, and this is what it's giving. It's giving Rapunzel. Yeah, I love it. Okay. Now see, it's a wave all the way through. Okay, so that is the final look. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all next time.